Explore this sensation as if you are an onlooker. Where does the emotion fear present itself in your body? Maybe it is mostly in the pit of your stomach, or perhaps you can feel fear throughout your entire body. Just allow this feeling right now. Don't try to change or contrive it. Focus on the things in life that make you afraid. Remember passing moments of fear, the things that made you run away. It is perfectly fine to experience fear, just as it is fine to experience joy and happiness. Feel the energy of fright within you. Feel its vibes, its negativity, its energy enveloping you. You know this feeling well. Good. You are clearing out emotions that you need to let go of. In this moment of pure connection, you finally open yourself up to experience fear in its purest form. Allow these feelings of anxiety and unease to spread through your entire body, letting the emotion be freed. Notice how you feel. Respect the feeling of fear, just as you would respect a dear friend. Now, allow this feeling to diminish and fade, slowly letting yourself get back to a balanced state of relaxation. Expressing your feelings by letting them rise and fall, come and go, is what makes for balance in your life. You are exactly all you need to be. Thank you for listening to your beauty ritual. Beautitation.